This kanji have the reading te, te, jo, jo, and the reading of kunyomi, sadameru, sadameru. The kanji of sadameru is mean determine, fix, establish, or design. So this kanji has quite many meaning, but what you have to remember is mean fit and establish or design. Let's go to learn some sample. Suite, suite, which means presumption, presumption. Dangte, dangte, is mean conclusion, conclusion. Hangte, hangte, judgment or decision, judgment or decision. This means when you have to decision or make decision or you have to decide something, you can use hangte. Sadameru, sadameru, sadameru is mean to decide or determine or establish, to lay down or to prescribe or to provide. When you have to decide to do something or you have to determine what to do, so you have to use, you can use the word sadameru. Next, sadamaru, sadamaru and sadameru is quite similar. Sadamaru is mean become settled or to be fit, become settled or to be fit. Sadaka, sadaka, sadaka is mean definite or sure. Sadaka.